In this video, we take a dive into the all-new 2025 Honda Pilot, a three-row SUV that's designed to meet the needs of modern families. Known for its spacious interior, advanced technology, and reliable performance, the 2025 Pilot brings new updates that make it more impressive than ever. Get a closer look at the 2025 Pilot's updated exterior, featuring a bold new grille, sleek LED headlights, and a more aerodynamic profile that enhances both style and efficiency. Discover the advanced safety features included in the 2025 Pilot, such as Honda Sensing, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and more, ensuring peace of mind for you and your family. Explore the Pilot's roomy cabin with seating for up to 8 passengers, high-quality materials, and the latest infotainment system designed to keep everyone entertained. The 2026 Pilot will be easy to get in and out of. There are buttons to open the second-row seats that even children can activate. Seat travel is enough that reaching the third row will be very easy for most adults. We know you are excited to know the release date of the 2026 Pilot, but let me tell you that Honda Motor has not given any specific date about this, so we can expect the new Honda Pilot will be released by the end of next year.